friends, welcome to Akshay Badre channel. Now let us discuss about third stage of labor. After delivery of the baby till the placental delivery, it is known as third stage of labor. It is the phase of placental separation and placenta descent to the lower segment of the uterus and finally its expulsion with the membranes. Whether it is a multigravida or primigravida, the duration of placental delivery is around 15 to 20 minutes. Two ways of placental separation. One is Quiz method and Matthew-Jerkins method. Here the placenta is stuck to the uterus and umbilical cord is hanging through the vagina and amniotic membranes are attached to the uterine wall. Separation happens in center of the placenta. Placenta will comes out in the folded manner. This separation is known as central separation, which is known as Quiz method, and there will be folded placenta, membranes are outward, fetal surface of the placenta will be outward, so it look like shiny look, and membranes are seen first and there will be inside cotyledons. Most common method is Quiz method. Now coming to the Markov-Jerkins method. In this method, the separation will be from the sides, placenta will everts and comes out. This separation is known as peripheral separation or marginal separation. Because of maternal surface is looking outside, that is cotyledons, it will look dirtily, so it is also known as Dirty-Duncan's method. Here, the cotyledons are seen first, there will be amniotic membranes are seen inside. This look like dirty look. This method is known as Merkens-Jerkins method. Now, signs of placental separation are lengthening of umbilical cord, gush of blood, fresh blood, uterus become globular, phlegm, fundus height increases, suprapubic bulge is a more specific sign. Suprapubic bulge is nothing but when the placenta comes out, the contraction of uterine muscle takes place which leads to bulge in the abdomen, which is known as suprapubic bulge. So in next video, I will explain about management of third stage of labor. Thank you friends.